Hello everyone, I am Namandeep Kaur Atri and I am working as an education consultant in Ausis Group Perth. So today motive for me to being here is to give you valuable information which is really important for your career and future pathway. As being an education consultant, I have been receiving a number of inquiries where students are eager to know which is the right course for them to study at this point of time and which will lead them to a good future pathway. So I will be relating you with few courses which is really good and will lead you to a good future pathway, and these courses are related to the field of civil and these are the vocational level courses. So we have diploma and advanced diploma of civil and structural engineering, which is a 2-year course and is available in TIFF. The same course is available in STOT, that's the advanced diploma of civil construction design. Again, the complete course is for 2 years. The entry requirements to study these courses is 5.5 band in English, no band less than 5, and the minimum qualification required to start this course is year 12. If you have 5.5 and no band less than 5 and you have the minimum qualification of year 12, you can start this course. These 2-year courses will equip you with the practical and technical skills that you can work with the civil engineers on the construction of the infrastructure project. While you will be studying these courses, you will be learning about the CAD software, in which you will learn how to make the drawings and the infrastructure of the construction of the buildings. The two providers which are providing these courses is STOTS and TIFF. The next intake is available is January, and the fees in STOTS is 24,000 for the complete duration of the course. But at the moment for January intake, STOTS is providing 2,000 scholarships, so it's just 22,000 for the complete duration of the course. In TIFF, the duration of the course is 2 years, but the fees for the international students is 30,000 for complete 2 years. Once you complete these courses, you can seek the occupation as a civil engineering draft person, civil engineering design draft person, as a civil engineering technician, and you can get your assessment through Engineer Australia without any experience. So keeping in concern the today's demand for the civil engineers or the civil draftsmen, these courses are really valuable for you. And if you are interested to get admission in these courses, you can contact us. All the details are given in the description box, and even if you need any consultation regarding these courses and admission, there would be no consultation and admission charges to process your application.